Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Unfolded. I am Alice. Every week, we unfold one piece of English together, simply, clearly, and step by step.
Hi everyone, I am Jake. And Alice, I have exciting news. I booked the hotel for our mountain lake trip.
Oh, you actually did it! When did you book it?
Last night, I found this really nice place right by the lake. 2 nights, a room with a view, and they said breakfast might be included. I think.
You think?
I was not sure how to check. The website was a little confusing. I just clicked confirm and hoped for the best.
Jake. Okay, well, this is actually perfect timing because today we are learning exactly how to handle hotel check-in and all the important questions you need to ask when you arrive.
Yes, because I have never actually checked into a hotel by myself in English. I always just hand over my passport and nod a lot.
The nodding method, classic. But after today, you will be able to walk up to that front desk with full confidence. No nodding required.
No nodding. I am ready. Everyone, please hit the like button and subscribe to English Unfolded.
And share this with a friend. Okay, let's check in. So, Jake, you arrive at the hotel. You walk up to the front desk. The staff smiles and says, "Welcome, how can I help you?" And you say, "I have a reservation under..."
I have a reservation under. That means I booked a room and my name is on the booking.
Exactly. You say your last name after under. I have a reservation under Kim. I have a reservation under Johnson. It's the first thing the staff needs, your name, to pull up the booking.
I have a reservation under Jake Park. Simple and direct. They'll find me in the system right away.
Right. And if they cannot find it, stay calm and say, "I booked it online," or "I have a confirmation email." That usually solves it.
Good to know. Okay, what if I want to ask for a specific type of room?
Great question. You say, "Could I have a room with..." Could I have a room with a view? Could I have a room with a king-size bed? Could I have a room on a higher floor?
Could I have a room with a lake view? Oh, that is exactly what I want for our trip.
Perfect. And "could I have" is very polite, not demanding, not too formal, just the right tone for a hotel front desk.
Could I have a room with a bathtub? Could I have a quiet room away from the elevator? I can ask for anything this way.
Anything reasonable, yes. Hotels do their best to accommodate. Now, one of the most important things to know when you check in is what time is check out.
What time is checkout? Because if you sleep in and miss it, you might get charged extra.
Exactly. Most hotels in the US have checkout at 11 or 12, but it varies. Always ask. And if you need a late checkout, you can say, "Is a late checkout possible?"
What time is checkout? And is a late checkout possible? I'll definitely ask that. I'm not a morning person on vacation.
Nobody is. Now, your question from before about breakfast, you ask, "Is breakfast included?"
Is breakfast included? Yes, I need to know this, because if it's included, I want to eat everything.
And if it's not included, they'll tell you the price and the hours. Usually something like, "Breakfast is available from 7 to 10 in the dining room for $15 per person."
Is breakfast included? Such a simple question, but so important. Free breakfast changes everything about a hotel.
It really does. And our last phrase, when you have heavy bags and need help getting to your room, you say, "Could you help me with my bags?"
Could you help me with my bags? That's asking the bellhop or front desk staff for help with luggage.
Yes, very polite and very natural. In most hotels, someone will gladly help, and it's perfectly okay to ask. You don't have to struggle alone with 3 suitcases.
Could you help me with my bags? I always try to carry everything myself, and it's not a good look.
Okay, role play time. I'm the hotel front desk staff. You just arrived at the Lake Hotel after a long drive. Ready?
Ready. Tired from the imaginary drive, but ready.
Good evening. Welcome to Lakeview Inn. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation under Jake Park.
Let me check. Yes, I have you right here. 2 nights, checking in today and out on Sunday. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Oh, could I have a room with a lake view if possible?
Absolutely. We actually have a lovely corner room on the third floor with a beautiful view of the lake. I'll put you there.
That sounds perfect. What time is checkout on Sunday?
Checkout is at 11. If you need more time, a late checkout till 1 is available for a small fee.
Good to know. And is breakfast included with my booking?
Yes, breakfast is included. It's served in our dining room from 7 to 10 every morning. We have a full buffet.
Oh, that is great news. One more thing. Could you help me with my bags? I have 2 large suitcases in the car.
Of course. I'll send someone out right away. Here's your room key, room 312. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much.
That was so smooth, Jake. Every phrase landed perfectly. You arrived, checked in, got your room request, found out about breakfast, and got help with your bags. A complete check-in from start to finish.
And I didn't nod once.
You didn't nod once. Okay, let's wrap up. Think of hotel check-in as a short conversation with 5 clear steps.
Step 1, I have a reservation under. Your name is the key. Say it clearly and the whole process starts.
Step 2, could I have a room with... You are allowed to ask for what you want. A view, a quiet floor, a specific bed. Just ask politely.
Step 3, what time is checkout? Know before you sleep in too long on the last day, and ask about late checkout if you need it.
Step 4, is breakfast included? Free breakfast is one of life's great gifts. Always confirm it.
Step 5, could you help me with my bags? You don't have to do everything alone. Hotels have staff for exactly this reason.
5 phrases, 1 complete check-in. You're ready for any hotel anywhere in the world.
I am so ready, and now I'm even more excited about the lake trip.
Same. Everyone at home, leave a comment. Have you ever checked into a hotel in English? How did it go? Tell us your story.
We love reading your travel stories, and if today felt helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to English Unfolded.
And share this with a friend who's traveling soon. Keep unfolding your voice. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.
Take care, everyone, and enjoy your next hotel stay. Goodbye.